Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy, ItsJason, and we're back with, you know what it is, another unboxing video. I think my mom is starting to catch on the fact that I keep ordering stuff, but seeing that I have a deficit of clothes, I don't really have much of a choice. Plus, there's just stuff that I like, and I can't help myself. We have a package in today, and I think it is what it is. So this time it's kind of in like a sideways fashion, like horizontal sort of fashion. It's usually in vertical, but now it's in horizontal, which is great. A couple things happened today. I went to work, and I spilled bleach on one of my jeans, which it's like a tiny little splash, but it's kind of annoying. I tried using rubbing alcohol to get it off, but it wouldn't come off. So if you guys have any quick ways to sort of, I don't know, remove a bleach stain from my jeans, that would be very much appreciated, because they're not the best jeans I have, but they're good jeans, and I'm kind of sad that they got bleached, which sucks. So I think we're just gonna make this one quick because there's only one item in here today, and we're gonna ignore the fact that my mom actually got some clothes for me for my birthday, which is nice. It's like sleeping clothes, so you know, same paper, you guys know the deal. I keep getting these, and I think I'm just gonna end up throwing them out. And I also keep getting stickers, which I don't know what to do with them at this point. I ordered some Swiss Alpenflage pants. The Alpenflage was basically a fancy nickname for a TAZ-83 camo. It was used by the Swiss Army, I think during the Cold War era, and they've replaced it with a different kind of camo. It's very similar to this kind, but it's more of like in a woodland type of color. This one's more unique. So here it is. We got the jeans. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it. The last time I tried putting on jeans, the camera wouldn't show it. That video hasn't even been touched by me yet as of this recording. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I have another pair of jeans coming in soon. I just got it in the mail, the notification. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is all I got. That's a pretty short video. Yeah, so like with the other pairs of pants, you can kind of tighten it at the bottom, I think. That's how it mostly is. That's pretty much it. Like, I'm being dead serious. That's the only thing I have today. I'm building up my collection of military surplus. I got some other stuff coming through. There's another website that I've ordered stuff off of called Mike's Militaria. I kind of found it out by, maybe not by accident, but I was looking for something, and it just so happens that I stumbled onto that website, and they've got a pretty wide selection of like stuff that currently isn't in Americana Pipe Dream. So I'm just kind of bouncing back and forth between the two sites. It's all love anyways. You know, I'm now becoming a frequent Americana Pipe Dream customer. It might be the same deal for Mike's Militaria. What is up with the square thingamajig? Oh, maybe that's like the focus. Oh, well, that's cool. Yeah, no, I'm just messing around with the camera, but okay, it should be good. I need a new camera, an actual, like, whatchamacallit, like a recording camera. That would be nice, because the footage here is kind of grainy, because the computer's starting to show its age. I also need a mic, which would be fantastic. The videos have better sound quality, especially when I'm speaking, because it sounds like I'm in, like, I don't know, like, an empty room. Which I kind of am. There isn't a whole lot of stuff set up in my room yet. Once we get the walls kind of renovated, you're gonna see my room like transform a lot. Why did I just mess up the word transform? Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the video. Before I go though, I just wanted to say thank you so much for, you know, sticking around for all these years. I know I'm not exactly the biggest channel out there. My friend, he's made a channel like way later than I did, and you know, somehow he found his niche. He found his niche, which is like video game content and, you know, comedy content, which is what they're best known for. They're called Circle Stick. I highly suggest you go check out that channel. They're at 10K subs right now, and they would really appreciate the boost. Any viewers of mine, whether subscribed or unsubscribed, go check out Circle Stick. They got some really good stuff there. I gotta do homework because it is due tomorrow. I'm gonna watch a Circle Stick video, and I'm gonna try on these pants, which there's no point in me trying to show it to you guys because the camera doesn't go down that far. So I made the mistake the last time with the Choco pants. That video will be up whenever it's supposed to be up. I'm kind of busy with other stuff. I made the mistake of trying to put on some pants and trying to show it off, and then realizing it was an epic fail. I'm just gonna show off the pants and then just, you know, yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, this is a short video. Again, not much to show off. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. That would be very appreciative. It would help my channel grow a little bit more. Hopefully, I can get some more money so I can do more of these unboxing contents. It's adding a little bit more variety into my video making, because I just keep making the same weird videos and edits all the time, And it's not that I hate them. It's just I like editing them and making them. It's just, you know, I want to branch out a little bit into different things. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It is December 4th of 2021. We are almost done with the year. It's gonna be 2022 soon. It is currently 5:22 p.m. and I definitely am slacking off on like homework and stuff. So I'm gonna end it here. Take care. Alright, I lied. This video's not done yet. We're back for round 2, baby, because just recently, another package just came in right after I recorded the Swiss Alpenflage pants reveal. We're doing this in real freaking time. Another package just came in. Oh, this day just keeps getting better and better. I bleached my pants. I got 2 simultaneous packages in a row, and I haven't done anything yet in terms of homework. So let's just get straight into it, I guess. Again, I have no idea what we got. Wow, this is in real time. I literally just got this. Like, I was walking outside to see if my mom came back because I thought maybe she was back early with the groceries and whatnot. And instead, nope. It's another freaking package. Thank the Lord for Americana pipe dream. You have done blessed a kid. Oh, it's this stupid thing I ordered, and then I don't even know why I ordered it either. So, okay, so what this thing is, let's say, oh wow, it's 2 things in a row. What? Let's go. It's 2 things in a row. That's the first, guys. 2 things in 1 package. So the first thing we have is a German hydration pack. So if you guys don't know what a hydration pack is, it's what the military uses. So yeah, and it's dirty too. So what the heck? that's not cool. But anyways, what a hydration pack is basically it's a fancy sort of like water bottle type of system. You put it on your back, you fill it up with water, and it's an easy way to get some water. I bought this because 1, mainly because it was cool. 2, I'm planning on hiking again. I don't know when, but I do want to hike whenever it gets, you know, real hot and sunny again. So I'm assuming probably around April or May I might hike again, and I'm gonna bring this along with me. So if you open up the cap, this is, so it has like the plastic liner on the inside, so that way your water doesn't get dirty. So what you would do is you would pour water down here and then you seal it up. This is from Germany too, so I'm not sure if this is a civilian brand because it was under military surplus. I'm not sure whether it's a military sort of hydration pack or if it's just a normal one. You got the little straw thingamajig. This would normally go around your neck, and then you got the little cap right here. See, you take it off, and no, it's the other way. My bad, guys. I've never used a hydration pack before. Oh, never mind. You just take the cap off, and then you just slurp out of it. It's great. Yeah, see? It's literally like one of those bottles where you just take the thing off and then you just... This is great. This is awesome. This might be good for not only just hiking, but cosplay in general. I do have something in mind that I'm going to show off very, very soon. But yeah, this is awesome. This is definitely great for hiking because I'm sick and tired of having to carry bottles upon bottles upon bottles of just water when I could be carrying other things like food and whatnot. So yeah, hydration pack, that's done. That's going over here. Again, guys, this literally just came in. So actually, you know what we're gonna do? Let me see if I can put it on. Yeah, so you can put it on. I would have to shorten the straps because this thing is way too tight. Yeah, I gotta untighten this thing. It's way too tight on me. Okay, let's see if it fits now. Oh, and then there's a zipper here too. Yeah, you can put stuff inside here. This is an entirely separate package because it just, the way this works is that you would put water in here and then there's another thing in the back. So there's like a zipper. You can put some whatever it is you want inside of here. So it's completely separate from the sort of water area. So that way, like, you're not like putting your piece of paper or whatever with the water. That's not how it works. I hope that's not how it works. Yeah, this is kind of annoying to put on. I'm gonna untighten it even more. That's so annoying. See, this is how big I am. That's unfortunately what we're gonna have to do. So you wear like a book bag. You see? And then you got the pack in the back. I'm assuming this is a civilian mount because I don't think military ones are like this. They have a thing where you kind of strap it onto your gear and you don't even have to use a strap like this because honestly, it's kind of annoying, and they're wearing tactical bulletproof Kevlar vests at the same time. So yeah, this is definitely gotta be like a civilian brand. There's no way this one's military. I doubt it. But this is cool. That would be perfect for whenever I go back to hiking, which I'm hoping should be soon. We're just gonna put that back on. We got some straps here. Actually, I have no idea what this does. Let's not mess around with that. So yeah, hydration pack, that's done. Second thing we have, and this just came in. You remember when I said like I was waiting for another pair of pants to come in and I just got the confirmation through email? Well, Wait no more, because they are now here. The original, the one and only M81 Woodland BDU pants. Yeah, there's like string and yarn all over. Oh man, I just vacuumed this place too. Whatever. Yeah, so wow, these are kind of big, which is good for me because I'm a big boy. Waist is from 31 to 35. Inseam 29.5. NATO size, I don't know what that is, but as long as it's a 31 to a 35, it should fit. This is a IRL M81 Woodland pants. I have no idea what the strap is for. I don't know, I'll figure it out. This is not fake. This is very much real. I hope. That's the thing. Why is there so much string all over the place? Bro, are these pants falling apart? That would not be cool. Come on, Americana Pipe Dream. You're supposed to deliver quality products, not stuff that falls apart. That would not be cool. I hope it's not falling apart. There's just stuff all over it, and it's kind of annoying. Like, there's like string everywhere. I don't even know where that other string went. It definitely went somewhere. I'll figure it out. So we got a hydration pack, and we got these pants, which I'm gonna try on off camera. Okay, hopefully we're actually done with the video this time. I'm sorry, I gotta do this again. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see. Or, well, I mean, I guess you and I don't really have any control over that because one, I don't have a whole lot of money, and two, the merch in Americana Pipe Dream tends to run out fairly quickly. So if I'm not quick about it, it's poof poof gone. Okay, I hope we're done because I really do have stuff to do.
Having the women on floor, niggas not me, they boring. I was just chilling with niggas, they talking like we never did this before.